everyone, welcome back to page Multimedia Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna share you 5 vocabulary words from lesson 30 that talk about going to the doctor. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, in the first word is able. Able. Able spelled A-B-L-E. Able. For example, he is able to play the guitar. Able. Word number 2 is bound. Bound. Bound spelled B-O-U-N-D. Bound. For example, your work is bound to be successful. Bound. And word number 3 is leper. Leper. Leper spelled L-E-P-E-R. Leper. For example, they treated me as if I were a leper. Leper. Word number 4 is village. Village. Village spelled V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. For example, I was born in a small village. And the last word is return. Return. Return spelled R-E-T-U-R-N. Return. For example, I have something to return to you. Return. So everyone, please repeat after me one more time. Able. Able. Bound. Bound. Leper. Leper. Village. Village. Return. Return. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for your learning English with me today. And then if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.